Clear the sector from enemy presence.
I only have 3 fucking bullets.
What is Drew like? It's like if Bill Hader had a kid that needed special needs, but somehow, you know, fornicated with like a slow Portuguese woman and had a kid.
He went for
That's how I would describe Drew. You know, like you think he'd do normal stuff like watch porn, but I'm pretty sure he just plays video games and beats off to that. That's how he gets off.
Have a beer, dude? Yeah, sure.
I've known Drew for about 2 years now. A little over 2 years. Something like that. God, dude, that guy's fucking psycho. I'd say the first part, right when I first met him, he wouldn't shake my hand for some odd reason, I don't know.
He's weird.
He just doesn't think correctly, you know?
It's a lot of weird shit, like those little ass bunny dudes and lots of Minecraft, but you know, keeps him busy, keeps him occupied, keeps him quiet, you know.
I think the weirdest encounter I've ever had with Drew was I walked into the room and his pants were on the ground, and I thought he was just doing his normal jerk-off thing, but he wasn't. He just stared me in the eyes and he took a shit on the floor. And then he hissed at me, and then he ran out the door.
That was a fucking headshot.
No, it was not.
I have Asperger's,
He's
dude!
already down 40.
I went to bed one night, it was about 12, and he was top bunk. About 12 in the morning, I was like, alright, I'm going to bed. He didn't really say anything, he just mumbled to me, so I was like, okay, yeah, whatever. Went to bed and I woke up and I heard like this loud, just fucking bang. It was huge. I woke up and I wondered what the fuck was going on. And he literally jerked himself off of his bed. It was the craziest thing. He was still going when he landed. It was just, I don't know. It was crazy. But other than that, other than his consistent jerking off, like hourly basis probably. He didn't have a game system. I didn't have Xbox, Nintendo 64, any of that, so I brought my PS4. I was like, yeah, you can play whenever you want. And that dude was on there more than I was. I mean, it was in my system, and he was on there hours at a time. And he'd play Call of Duty, but he'd play the same mission every time.
I was about to say, who the fuck was even shooting at me? Whoa, whoa!
Really?
No.
It's really funny.
Really good shit.
It's not me.